How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first, before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. First, you open Spotify and you click on your library on the bottom right, and for example it's this playlist and it's the first song. Here on the left your shuffle will be on, so you can't turn it off because you have to pay Spotify premium. But you have one solution: you have to go back and you have to click on the top left on your profile icon. Once you click on the top left on your profile icon, you have to search for settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, here you will find an option of playback. Click on that. Once playback is opened, here you will find auto mix has been turned off on. You have to turn it off, and your autoplay also should be turned off. And this is how you can fix the Spotify playing random songs. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.